Good morning, Houston. You're watching H-Town Eats, and this is Cooking with Concetta. Today, we're featuring some really great Thanksgiving pies. Two of my personal favorites and my family's favorite, my husband's favorite, are classic buttermilk pie. Is classic, easy. Your kids can cook it with you. You can whip it up in less than an hour. So y'all, is this a homemade pie crust? No, I don't have time to do that. Pie crust, get it from the store, all right? Roll it out, put it in, get some beads. If you don't have the beads, if you don't have bacon beads, that's fine. Use some beans, dried beans. Put it in the bottom, par bake your pie. While that pie is par baking, go ahead and get your ingredients. This pie recipe is gonna make 2 pies. You've got sugar, vanilla, buttermilk. Just make sure it's not the low fat because the low fat won't set right. Tiny bit of flour. My secret ingredient, the graham crackers, is what makes it just delish. Margarine, this is also another thing I've tested out, y'all. You gotta use the margarine. 4 eggs, and this is pretty much it. Make sure you're folding in your graham crackers. Don't stir anything up too much. You just wanna fold everything in nicely. It makes 2 pies. Pop them in the oven, 325 for 45 minutes, and you've got some beautiful pies. I'm not even gonna waste my time with a plate. I'm just gonna take a bite. The buttermilk really shines. The brightness and the tartness of the buttermilk pairs so nicely with the sweet of the sugar, and the graham cracker gives it a nice texture. Now, if you don't want to make the pie, don't worry about it. Let's go ahead and get over to Gaido's. Gaido's was one of our very first customers. They have stood the test of time with Maceo Spice, and I'm so excited to present this buttermilk pecan pie. Is phenomenal. It is so decadent and so chewy and so delicious. You can't just have one piece. Gaido's is one of the longest standing restaurants on the island. I absolutely love going to eat there. Their oysters, their pie, their bisque, I mean, you can't go wrong with anything on that menu. When it is oyster season, y'all, check it out. But really and truly, this pie is to die for. You can ship it anywhere in the US, in the world, okay? www.gaidos.com. All right, y'all, what do y'all think about digging into this pecan pie? Because I think it's pie 30. Oh my goodness. Ready? Look at that pull. Who needs a cheese pull when you have a pecan pie pull? Wow, y'all. It's just as beautiful as every other time I've cut into this pie, okay? It is just baked to perfection. And there's pecans. It is a complete pecan encrusted pie. Oh, all right, here we go. Shut it down. Because this right here, that's a business. Thanks for tuning in to H-Town Eats. My name is Concetta, and you're cooking with Concetta on this beautiful Friday. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. I don't remember it being this good.